Do you want the prompt packed with 15 plus ready to use prompts? Want to make AI your marketing bitch? Want to be a little lazy with your work, but don't trust AI and not sure where to start with prompting it properly? Stick around and find out. Hey guys, what's up? Tyler here from Island Storm Marketing, based right out in Nanaimo, BC. Now, imagine this. A tourist lands right out of Departure Bay, pulls up their phone and searches for a local craft brewery near me, but your spot, not there. Completely gone. It's not even popping up on the feed. In 2026, Google's AI overview is answering questions before people even get the chance to click. But here's the good news. Generative AI tools such as ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini are your unfair advantage to dominating local searches, not only ethically, but quickly and without the big budgets needed. Today, I'm breaking it all down for you guys, including AI prompts that you guys can copy paste right in, small wins for your local business, and how to make AI your marketing bitch. Stick around, you're gonna leave this video ready to get found. Local SEO in Vancouver Island is absolutely brutal right now. Not only do we have ferry delays, we have seasonal tourism spikes about to pick up, we have bipolar weather that's changing every 5 minutes, and near me searches are absolutely exploding. People want answers instantly. They don't want to wait, and why should they? But Google's AI summaries are showing up in about 21 to 55% of searches, with zero click rates hitting around 43 to 93%. What's that mean for your business? That means for small local businesses like us, if we're not optimized for AI visibility, we're missing out on customers every single day. That's thousands of dollars down the drain. The flip side, AI isn't the enemy. It's the tool that levels the playing field for smaller businesses like us. The first question we always get asked is, does Google hate AI content? The answer is no. Their guidelines are actually crystal clear. Appropriate use of AI is allowed. That means there's no automatic penalties for using generative AI such as ChatGPT, Grok, or Gemini. What still matters to Google is quality. Does it help the user? Does it show real expertise, experience, authoritaveness, and trust? Is it still following the EEAT rule? For us in local settings, that just means one thing. Take AI drafts and edit it with your own local knowledge. Give it the ferry schedule, the weather changes, what other local businesses are doing. Do that and you're building trust in Google rewards.
Now onto the real gold, how to properly prompt AI so you get useful results instead of just garbage. Rule number 1, be specific with the AI. Vague prompts give vague answers. Be as specific as possible for the specific answer that you're looking for. Rule number 2, always roleplay the AI. If you're doing something like SEO, say act as an SEO expert with 5+ years of experience, give it context, specify the format, and edit every single output that it gives you. So now I'm going to give you guys 4 different prompts that you can use for AI to copy paste right in to help boost your local SEO, whether you're in Nanaimo, Vancouver Island, or anywhere else in the world. So here we go. We'll take this first one just as an example. So the first one, act as a local SEO expert for Nanaimo, generate 25 long tail keywords for blank service. So copy, paste into here. It'll think a little bit, like 20, 25, 30 seconds-ish. So it's finally spit out the answer for you. At the top here you see, as a local SEO expert based in Nanaimo, BC, I've crafted these 25 long tail keywords specifically for plumbing services. It's grouped it into the funnels like we asked for, so the awareness stage at the top of the funnel, people are starting to recognize that they might have a problem. So, common drain clogs caused by rainy season Nanaimo homes, while water pressure drops after heavy coastal weather in Nanaimo. Then moving on to the consideration stage. This is the middle of the funnel. This is the research and comparison. So, here it would be eco-friendly bathroom renovation options Nanaimo, BC 2026. Best eco-friendly plumber reviews in Nanaimo, Vancouver Island. At the bottom of the funnel, the ready to hire stage, this is same day plumber Departure Bay Nanaimo for drain cleaning. Certified green plumber installation Vancouver Island near me. And at the bottom here, the 5 keywords it believes have the highest local intent that you should prioritize. So you can see them all at the bottom there. And then at the very bottom, it gives you a pro tip from your Nanaimo SEO guy. And so, copy paste into your AI of choice. The only thing we will do here is change this, and to stay on theme we will do plumbing business, just so this would work for any industry. We're just using plumbing as a simple example, and we're gonna keep doing it throughout the rest, but this would basically work for any industry that you're in. Just enter that instead of plumbing. So now it's finally spit out your 20 untapped long tail keywords for Vancouver Island. So here it's listed all the ones that your competitors are most likely trying to rank for, and then down here it's giving you the 20 untapped long tail keywords that you could use. So septic tank plumbing and repair, rural Nanaimo, Vancouver Island, marine boat plumbing and repair, summer's coming up, gonna go camping, so RV plumbing, hookup, winterization and repair, hot tub spa plumbing installation, and then quick tips to outrank them all fast at the bottom there. So that would be prompt number 2. So as we talked about previously in the video, you have to 1, be specific with the AI, and 2, roleplay with the AI. So we've done both of those things, and it's generated a plethora of results that we normally wouldn't get, just being like, help me with my Nanaimo plumbing SEO. And so, same as that, we'll go paste again in there. Again, we'll do plumbing business just to stay on track, and again, this would work for any industry. Current month, it should know the current month, season. You can make it even more specific if you want to. We could potentially use this as a bad example of not being as specific as we'd like, depending on what the AI says here. So here at the end, you see it thought for 1 minute and 12 seconds. It spit out the 5 engaging Google profile post ideas for you to use. Number 1, storm prep drain special offer post. Down there, just something simple to put on Google. Number 2, Crab Fest kitchen drain special. Number 3, get show ready at the spring home show. Number 4, free spring plumbing workshop. Number 5, Lucky Leprechaun special plumbing service. Number 5, Lucky Leprechaun plumbing special. So, see, once again, be specific with the AI and get it to roleplay. Very important. And so, once again, copy paste. Look at it here, 150 targeting keyword Nanaimo. So storm drain cleaning Nanaimo. So see there, if you were wanting to write specific SEO for your storm drain cleaning page, it's given you 5 SEO friendly title options, as well as 5 meta descriptions that you could use to copy paste right onto your website to help you rank even higher. So after seeing those 4 prompts, we know that they sound real, they sound human, they don't sound robotic. The only thing that you guys can do now is respond to every single review, as it's a massive trust signal for Google. These were just 4 examples we have for you guys though. We have 15 more in the downloadable document that you can get, as well as the quick links checklist PDF for free down in the description below.
Okay, let's get practical for a second. Here are the 5 biggest ways that generative AI boosts local SEO for Nanaimo businesses right now. Number 1, keyword and intent research. Uncover long-tail keywords like 24-hour plumber in Nanaimo during a power outage in seconds. Number 2, content drafts and outlines. Generate blog structures or facts pages and then back it up with your real-life expertise. Number 3, on-page optimization. Get suggestions from header titles, descriptions, or on-page SEO tactics. Number 4, Google Business Profile and reviews. Draft optimized descriptions and professional review responses that help drive engagement. Number 5, competitor and trend analysis. Use AI to help you see what your competitor is doing and to help you predict rising searches. We've seen real clients here on Vancouver Island get 20 to 40% traffic lifts just from blending AI with human edits. It even worked for us on our site. A quick reality check though. AI can hallucinate, or sound very generic. That's why you always have to edit it, add your truth, add your story, add your voice. Here are 3 quick wins that you guys can do this week. Number 1, run a prompt to optimize your Google Business profile description. Number 2, generate 5 local facts for your website. 3, send review requests only to the last 5 happy customers. Do these consistently and you'll build authority that shows up in Nanaimo searches. There you have it. Generative AI is your secret weapon to getting found in Nanaimo, across Vancouver Island, or wherever your local business is situated in 2026. Use it smart, edit it with heart, and watch your business show up where it matters. If this helps, smash that like button, subscribe and turn on notifications, because next week we're going to be talking about paid ads for breweries and trades businesses. Do you want the prompt back? Do you want the prompt back, the 15 plus ready to use prompts? Or the quick wins Nanaimo checklist? Link in the description. If you want hands-on help, instead of doing this yourself, get in contact with us from the contact form on our website. The link will also be in the description. Go dominate those searches. We'll see you guys next week.
Guiding your business through the storm with out-of-the-box solutions for website design, SEO, social media management, paid ads, branding, and strategy.